All right, so we're going to take a look at some of these questions, and I'm really just going to highlight one thing for you on these. So scrolling down to classifying our variables between categorical and quantitative. The first thing is, right, which one is not a variable? And when we look at the set of data that's in the box, these are all the variables. So thinking about like what we collected data on, these are all those categories that we selected data about. All right. What's not a variable are the individuals. Who did we collect data on? And that's listed up here. So if you look at that, right, 30 students in class, that's the group of people that we collected data on. So if I go down here, that's the group that's not the variable, that's the individual. And that's right here, part C, number of students in the AP class, right? So that's that part, that's the individuals. Now we're going to start to look at the variables here when we look at these problems. And notice that you can get to this by hitting that magnifying glass. That's how you can get that to be larger so you can read these. Same here, right? So in this group, we're looking at all the things that are the variables, and we're going to put them into categorical or quantitative. So you take one, move it here, right? Age, do we think that's numeric? If yes, we'll put that into the box for quantitative, okay? All right, so each of these things here go in one of these boxes, either categorical or quantitative. All right, so you'll look at all of these things. If you need to highlight it, you click on that, look at each. And so I'm going to say grade level, and I'm going to think, is that numeric or is that just a category? And I'm pointing out grade level because this is probably the one that we'll see the most mistakes on. If you look at grade level, it looks like it's numeric, 9, 10, 11, 12. But you have to think about it a little bit deeper than that, right? What's after 12th grade? It's not a number. It's like freshman in college. So that's not something that's counted all the way through. What's the first grade that you start in? It's not 0. It's kindergarten. Those are not numeric. So they're more labels, categories. So that's why for grade level, I should see this be something like, where is it? When I see grade level, I should see that go in the categorical box. Okay, you drop in, and then you'll get your answers checked as you go. All right.